Hi guys, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming in with an amazing set of headphones. Oh my gosh. You can see these at PSB speakers.com. They're the PSB speakers, and these guys make a variety of different awesome speakers and headphones. Usually on the little bit more pricey high-end market, but they're definitely worth the price you're going to pay for them. These are the M4U 8 headphones. They run about $400 right now, and they're very beautiful and good looking. But I got to tell you, the way they perform, the way they sound is freaking awesome. Now, these things have a variety of different features. Let's go through some of the different things they can do. You can connect to a Bluetooth-enabled device, listen wirelessly at the highest quality. There's 2 built-in hands-free microphones with clear voice technology, deliver enhanced call clarity. I got to tell you, the calls on this are amazing, as well as your music. You can adjust the volume, skip tracks, and pause music with the on-ear playback controls. So they're very handy. You just reach up behind your right ear, and away you go. There's 3 listening modes. There's active noise canceling with room feel, and active with room feel, and just passive if you just want to plug them in. There's unique 2-way adjustable ear pads that gyroscopically shape to your head and are finished with super soft leather. I gotta tell you, these things really, I've got giant ears and they still wrapped around my ears, and they just fit right to the side of my head, and just made it so it made it really hard for any sound to get in, even when the active noise canceling was off. So I got to tell you, the active noise canceling on this works incredibly freaking well. It blocks out just about everything. So if you want a great sounding headphones and you want one that has got ANC, active noise canceling, on them for maybe flights, trips, or whatever, or you just don't want to hear the noise around your house, these will save your sanity and they will sound amazing. I was just really blown away by the ANC, how good it was, and also the quality of the sound of the headphones. It's got a compact foldable design that easily lets you store and travel with your headphones. Comes with that beautiful case, even a little dongle that you can take and hold them with if you want to attach them to a backpack or something of that nature. And it's got built-in NFC technology that allows you to tap and pair to your device in seconds. I mean, we just used the Bluetooth and we did exceptionally fine. What's really awesome is with the active noise canceling, it drowns out unwanted noise around you, leaving you with the music you love. The headphone is designed to add layers of vivid realism to your favorite recordings, and plus you can take it wherever you want to go. One of the other beautiful things about this is it's got the latest aptX HD. It's the latest Bluetooth technology that lets you stream 24-bit music over wireless connection to deliver a better than CD listening experience. If you're like me and you're a high-end audiophile, you run on FLAC files. You've got plenty of FLAC 24-bit music that you have everything recorded on, and you play at the highest resolutions of quality that you possibly can. I got to tell you, it sounded amazing just running Bluetooth music, FLAC files off of my phone into these headphones, and just every sound was crisp. I could hear everything down to the minuteness. And I loved it. So I think you will too. One thing I did notice, it's got a really strong bass, a really strong mid-range, and it's got a kind of a higher end, high end. Now everything blends together really nice, but there was just a little bit of sharpness on the high end that I noticed that kind of wasn't my flavor as much, but I enjoyed listening for hours and hours and hours upon hours, and it did well. I mean, after a while, I kind of get used to it. It depended on the recording. Sometimes a really high snap snare would kind of ping me a little too hard on the high end, but other than that, I loved it, and it sounded awesome, and you're going to get what you pay for with these headphones. They seem incredibly well built. The sound is exceptional, probably better than anything you're going to get below this price market, for that matter, because, I mean, really what I found with headphones, the pricing is the matter and the difference between them. So you're going to get a really good set of headphones for this price range, and I think they're definitely well worth it, especially from the ANC standpoint of them. Anyway, be sure to check them out. You can go to psbspeakers.com. That's psbspeakers.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Check out the M4U 8 headphones. Highly recommend these babies. They sound just wonderful, and I think you'll enjoy them. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.